Hi friends, thank you for coming back to step number 2. This is Elaine Marie. How are you today? Well, I got a pencil, Crayola pencil, white, and I just outlined my lantern post. And right there is where the ribbons will go. I hope everyone is doing well, and let's get going. Okay, here we go. I have an angular brush. Just going to pull that like that. And come straight down. And I always remember to tell you that if you cannot work for some reason on an easel, feel free to lay your painting down. It'll make it a lot easier for you. There you go. Okay, we're just going to bring that out just like that. I hope everyone is doing fine. There you go. And that's with the angular brush. Okay, there you go. And just pull that down just like that. And now we're going to come up right there. Okay. I'm going to run that across there and come down. And then we're going to bring that out right about here. There you go. This is a very fun and easy painting video. Alright? And right now we have the point and then bringing it down, okay? Of your angular brush. Okay, get to do that little white right there on top. Alright, we're going to run this straight down. Very good. Oh boy, I'm loving it already. Now here, what we're going to do, I do have some. I have the black, white, yellow, and I have red. So let me see. Let me come in and see. Now this is a pointer brush. Okay, we're going to close that up just like that. Oh, let me bring the camera. There you go. My camera on the left and my painting on the right. There you go. And bring that down. And of course you can make your bow any color that you prefer. Maybe you want a white one or another color other than red. And that's your choice to do so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the black and just outline that a little bit. There you go with your bow. There you go. Now, let me see, we're going to get a smaller angular brush. Okay, now I'm going to come in and we're going to do some yellow right there. Run that straight down like that. There you go. Alrighty. And if you don't want the black line in the middle, you could probably, which I could have done, paint the yellow right over and then come in after I try with the black line. Sometimes I think I make more work for myself, but that's okay. It all works out good. Now, rinse that small angular brush and then come in with some white. Alright, point, okay, and then bring it over. Angular brush are very easy to work with because the shape of the brush Okay, I'll just point like that, coming this way. There you go. Oh, I love it, I love it. You laugh and you probably say, geez, she says that all the time. But I do. I have fun painting, and I have more fun painting with my friends when they tune in. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to run a little black bit more right through there. Oh, I love that. It looks so cool. Now, as that dries, your yellow, you can always come in too with a little white. And I bring a little white with that yellow so it really starts to get a lot brighter. There you go. And again, once your painting dried, you can always go over it and do other coats on there if you like. Now on the top, I'm just going to take a little, the black and white, and a little gray right here. So I just want to make it where it doesn't look so solid. Okay. And that across like that. Very good. Oh, I just love it. Now we're going to take some black and white. Okay, we're going to mix that. I'm going to come in down here. Now let's try to make that a little darker. Okay. Maybe a little bit more. That's what's good about acrylic. You got to go lighter or darker. Acrylic is very, very easy to work with. That gives you like a little shadow right there. Oh, I love that. It's so adorable. I'm going to go get my pointer brush again, which is this one. That's your pointer. And I'm going to come in again with a little bit more. Picked up the wrong one here. There we go. Just a little bit more going across with the red. There you go. Oh, I just love that. Friends, I hope you had a really, really good time, because I know I am having a great time. And remember, you can make your bow red or a little white or whatever. And the last thing to do, come in with a little gray, and we'll just do this right there. Okay, friends, have a great day, and tune in to my other videos. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.